My name is Alex Deaconson, and I'm the Senior Visual Consultant here at DK Global.
My name is Alan Monzo, and I'm one of the 3D artists here at DK Global.
I originally became involved in the Tricoli matter, I want to say maybe 3 or 4 months before things really started to get going as far as depositions and discovery.
So the Tricoli matter was a difficult case to work on, simply because the defendant was the truck driver who ran over the plaintiff, and he was making the claim that he was unable to see the plaintiff and had several obstructions stopping him from seeing her. So he was claiming she kind of just came out of nowhere.
Right away, when we deal with these types of cases, we want to identify if the individual was visible or not from the defendant driver's point of view. In this case, right away, we identified that a defendant POV was going to be valuable because the theory in the case was that the driver was pulling up to a red light and was looking to their left to clear traffic that was oncoming because he wanted to take his right on red. What we wanted to do is identify that the individual could have seen our cyclist in the crosswalk if he had been looking in front of him.
The Reconstruction expert was able to generate the positional data of the vehicles using security footage that was available at the time, and was able to then give us motion data for the vehicles that we were able then to match in our 3D environment. The lighting expert gave us all the time and day positions for the sun, as long as angular positions that we were able to match in our 3D environment that represented that lighting scenario also.
Using a combination of photos and different data points and maps and traffic collision report data, we were able to create a presentation, an animation that goes over all the dynamics and specifics from point of impact to resting point. And we even morphed from the ending frame of the animation into a scene photo.
So the environment played a crucial role in this animation, and we took care to carefully model every piece of it following a 3D scan that was provided to us. And that was important because any deviation that we had in the 3D model compared to the scan could throw off the accuracy of the animation and throw off the angles that were shown inside the cab of the defendant.
We did as much as we could to compensate for the decedent's family members, and the animation played an integral part. Our animators worked directly with the experts and directly with the clients in the production of this animation, and that's really what our process is to review evidence and data, photos, maps, everything that is available to us, and then work directly with the experts who give us the direction and input to produce this animation. And we were fully confident that this was going to go in front of a jury if the case did not resolve. And I believe that after taking both of our animators' depositions, the other side saw it the same way. So ultimately, it was a multi-million-dollar result for a wrongful death case. We actually had our animators deposed. Our senior animator and one of the lead animators that worked on the case were deposed in our office by defense counsel. And of course, our attorney client was present as well. And after the deposition, I was having a candid conversation outside of our office just about how the depo went and how the case was going. And he basically said, look, when they saw the animation, it was pretty much over. There really wasn't a defense or a rebuttal for them. And, they came out with the costs we feel that this family deserved as compensation for this incident.